Alright, welcome back everyone. So this is the continuation of the last video I made on my channel on um the Nikilive app, all about all thing you need to know about the Nikilive app and how you need to earn and what you need to do to earn money on the Nikilive app. So if today is your or this is if this is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. I am Jessica by name and I'm so pleased to meet you guys. If you are new to this channel, please do not hesitate to smash the like button of this video and also subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell, so whenever I post any videos related to your interest, you'll be the first to get notified on YouTube. Alright, so my returning subscribers, of course I'm not going to forget you guys. You guys have been doing well to my videos. Those who are engaging on my videos, dropping comments, sharing my videos, I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. Alright, so down to business. I'm going to be talking about the rest of all you need to do know about Nikilive, other things you need to know about Nikilive app. Alright, this is going to be the continuation of the video. So stick to the end of this video and do not miss any part of this video. Do not skip any part so you don't miss out on every vital information you need to get at the end of this video. I'll be leaving the link to the other video, that's the beginning of this video. I'll be leaving the link in the description. I'll also be leaving the link to my playlist of my videos in your hole. I'll be leaving the link of my WhatsApp group, Nikilive WhatsApp group. You joining if you want to join, and my WhatsApp digit too, in case you want to reach out to me personally. I'll be leaving it in my description. And also do not hesitate to drop a wonderful comment on this video if you know this video has helped you in any way at the end of the video. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get straight to the practical aspect and continuation of this video. Right, so when you are done with accepting to join my agency, you have to start your task automatically. Every task begins 5 p.m. Nigerian time to 5 p.m. the next day. That's when the task concludes and you have a new task. So you should make sure in between 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. the next day you should have completed your 2 hours task. All right, you don't need to do it as stretch. Okay, you don't need to do it straight up. You can do 30 minutes, then you can relax, because you have a whole 24 hours just to complete 2 hours tasks. So you should make sure you don't forget to complete your task and do not miss out on this new bonus for the first 7 days. Do it for the first 7 days. Make sure you ensure that you complete every one of them so you don't miss out on the amount you want to withdraw. So consistency is the key. So all right, the way you start your task, when you're in your dashboard like this, when you're in the app, you click on this camera icon which is here. Alright, so make sure you are in this part of the interface. Okay, so you click on this camera icon. Let me click on it because I want to go live. Here we are, guys. So it's gonna show this place like this. We want to go live. So this is not actually my account. Alright, so I'm just going to make it brief so I won't be caught. Alright, so you're not going to tap on live. You're going to tap on video party. So it's already on video party, because if you tap on live, it's going to tell you that you need to get to charm level 5 before you can be able to start a live stream. That's a solo live. But this one you're going to do, you can actually do it like many people can join you as you're doing the task. So when you tap on this video party, all you have to do is to make sure you choose the amount of seats you want to open. You can choose as much as you want. All right, so I'll just be choosing 9 seats. So when I tap on the 9 seats, I'm just going to tap on go live. So tap on go live. So guys, as you can see, I'm automatically live. I don't know why it's not showing the face. Alright guys, so this is what you're gonna be doing for the next 2 hours. But like I said, you don't need to do it straight up. You can do 30 minutes now, then you can go and conclude it whenever you are ready to conclude the remaining hours, or the remaining minutes and hour. Okay, so I'm actually doing my task like this. So you make sure your face is showing, make sure you are seen on the app. All right, make sure you are seen. You don't sleep while doing your tasks. You don't put away your face like this. Make sure you are being seen. Make sure your face is visible, or else you'll be banned, and if you risk your account, it's just like the end for you. All right, so guys, that's how you go live. So when you're done like this, if you want to end the live stream, you can end it by tapping these 3 dots here. You tap those 3 dots here. Okay, then you either tap on this to end the live stream totally, but you can tap on this to leave the live stream temporary rather. When you tap on this X, you leave the live stream temporary, but you can still come back. All right, but when you tap on this one here, you go out of the live stream totally. That means you're ending your live stream totally. Okay, let me just tap on this X, the first one, so you can. So guys, here I'm still in the app already, so I can go back. I even cut off. Okay, so you can, I'm still live. All right, so in the live stream,
Alright guys, so for you to be able to check the tax you are doing, just tap on this tax reward here. When you tap on tax reward here, it will take you to a shortcut of how to check your tax. Alright, to check the host tax. Alright, so see your host tax here. Just like I said, just look at it. You'll be given 7,000 beans. If you don't understand this, you will get to understand later. So I've been able to complete this task like I said earlier on, and I've received it. So you can see 60/60, meaning I've finished the 1 hour and I've also finished the second hour. That's why it's 120/120 minutes. Then 60/60 minutes I've completed it, and I tap on receive. Initially you will see incomplete here. Don't just bother about that. All you have to do is to do what I did from scratch now. How you come live, then just complete your task. Then when you are done, just be checking if your this thing is counting. Once it gets to 60, you see that the receipt will just pop up in green. Then you just tap on this receive, then you confirm that you have received your this thing. So apart from this host task, if you tap on this basic task here, we also have basic task here. Tap on basic task here, you can see things you have to do. Okay, things you have to do, I've done most of them automatically as I'm doing my live stream. Staying on mic, I make sure I don't mute my mic when I'm on live, so that this will be counting as well. Also staying on mic for like 60 minutes, I make sure I don't what they call it, mute my mic, so that this will be counting automatically, so it will not be like stress. So when I'm done with this, okay, I just receive them. Then this publish a movement, I have a video on it, so you just need to, I'll put in the video in the link in the description, so all you just have to do is to just go straight and go and watch it. Alright guys, so that's all about your tax. Okay, let me just end the live stream by tapping on this button, the second one, like I told you. Tap on it, then I'm done with the live stream. I confirm I'm ending the live stream. Then this is where you see your tax, guys. This is where you see your tax. So, and those don't want this video to be too long, I'm going to actually be stopping here, guys. So if you want to know any other thing about the app, we're making it another video. Alright, so just make sure you subscribe, like this video, drop a comment, ask me questions, so you will be the first to get notified whenever you subscribe, and tap that bell. You get notified whenever I bring any videos that will help you guys on how to make money and all that. So this video is going to be too long, so I'll just have to stop here, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Make sure you watch the videos in the description. The playlist will be there, everything will be there in the description, and my number too. Make sure you share these videos to friends too. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Peace out.